Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how to create a Telegram channel. Okay, so this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. So here I have Telegram already open. All right, now here click on the pen icon on the bottom right and tap on new channel. All right, now here just tap on create channel. You can give your channel a name. So for this one, let's just say here hard reset. You can tap on the picture icon and upload a picture. And after that, you can tap here for your description. So you can type in something to describe what your channel is about and tap on the check mark. Now here you can make it public channel or a private channel. So for this one, let's go with public channel. Now here for the public link, you can actually make your own link. So I will just make here a random link for this one and tap on the check mark on the upper right corner. So after this one, you can add people to your channel. But for this video, let's just skip this part. And here, as we can see, we have our own channel. Alright, so that would be all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.